Guess what, everyone? It's that time of year again. And we're here at RUSSO Power Equipment in Elgin, Illinois to get our v-plow serviced. We are getting the new cutting edge put on today, and we are also getting the new Boss SL3 LED headlight system upgraded on our plow. The plow was bought about 8 years ago. It has the old halogen lights, and they actually can retrofit it with the new SL3 headlights. So let's take a look at that now.
So it's a new harness. Not only do you got to change up this part, but it also has all the controls for the solenoids. So you got to switch out the whole thing. Four bolts down here. Now, one thing I do when if we do replace headlights, I already had them get them, but new hardware for these little guys. goes right in.
Alright, so that's it. We're all hooked up. They got us all finished up here at Russo. I've got the new SL3 headlights, LED, love it. And then I got my new cutting edge on, and we're ready to go plow some snow.
The easiest way to get your equipment serviced at Russo's is to stop by our service center, drop off your equipment. If you have an emergency, we can make special arrangements for you at that point in time. If you're unable to bring your vehicle in or your equipment in, we do offer a pickup and delivery service which we can arrange over the phone. We do offer loaners and we have rentals for most equipment. The rentals would have to be set up ahead of time. The loaners are available if your machine is still under warranty for the first year that you own it. With Russo Power Equipment, we have a product called service contracts. And when I talk to customers about this, I usually say, help me help you. So in other words, if you're out working all day, you're working on your equipment, do you really want to come back to your shop at the end of the night and deal with changing the oil in your machines, fixing flat tires, replacing blades? If you set up a Russo service contract, we'll tailor it to the needs of your company. What we do is we come out to your facility once a week, we change the oil in your machines, we grease them, we have an extra set of blades, we swap out the blades on site. When we're done, we bring those blades back to our service department, we sharpen them up ahead of time so we can swap them out in the following week. If we see any issues with your machines, we put them off to the side, tag them, we bring them back to our service center the next day. We get them fixed and brought back to you. We also replace the machines that are out of service with loaners, so you're not down on your equipment. It saves you a lot of time, and I have found that the companies that we have set up on service contracts have far fewer failures on their engines and their hydraulics. There is no limit to what we'll work on. If it's got a gas engine or a diesel engine in it, it's any type of power equipment, we'll take a look at it and we'll try to service it for you. If you didn't buy it from Russo, that's fine. We are a warranty dealer for just about every major engine manufacturer out there. So if you bought your equipment somewhere else and you still want to get it serviced under warranty at Russo Power Equipment, not a problem. All we need is proof of purchase, bring it in, and we'll be glad to take care of it for you.
Russo Parts stocks about 3 million parts, original or OEM. If a customer was interested in ordering parts, there is two ways. You can either go to a store location, and coming to the store location, you come to the parts counter, a parts associate will give you some help, or russopower.com. There is a search bar, ask for manufacturer, model, and you can do it yourself at home. If you buy your equipment or parts, it is easier for yourself and for us. If it is your first time, we will give you an option if you want to get registered. If you do get registered, anything you buy from us or any machine you buy from us will stay in the system. So there is no way of losing a model, a serial, part number. It will be saved in the computer.